Hi everyone, I'm Ash, and today I'm going to talk to you about an easy and free way to earn passive income online. We'll discuss real money and various profit sites that I'll cover in future videos, where I'll also show you how to withdraw your earnings. But to be honest with you, these sites won't make you rich. You might earn $1 or $2 a day, but for those who claim you'll make $100 or $200 a day, they're not being truthful. However, I will teach you the secret to maximizing your earnings beyond just $1 or $2. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Honestly, I'm not sure why, but all YouTubers say this. Let's begin by explaining the site. First, go down to the description box, click on the direct link to the site, and this screen will appear. Click on Register, then enter your name here, your email here, and your password here, and click on Register. The site will send you an email like this. Click on the link in the email, and it will take you to the site where your account will be activated. Before you start earning, fill out all the required information, email, phone number, etc. Then link your YouTube and VK accounts on Aviso. VK is a Russian social networking site similar to Facebook. Now, pay close attention to this point. These are the online banks where you can transfer your earnings. I personally use Payeer Bank and sometimes Perfect Money. I'll be sharing a detailed video about registering with Payeer Bank and how to trade on it to double your profits. Enter your Payeer wallet address, which usually starts with the letter P. The site will also send a code to your email to activate your wallet address. Now you're ready to earn. You can watch hundreds of videos for a certain price, like videos, and earn money by subscribing to YouTube channels as well. The most profitable tasks are those that involve downloading an app on your phone or subscribing to a specific site. After completing these tasks, take a screenshot as proof and send it to them. They'll then credit the amount or reward to your balance. You can also browse websites and subscribe to pages and groups on VK, earning an instant reward for your subscriptions. To transfer your money, just click on the main account here, and this page will appear. Select Payeer, move the arrow to the right, and click Payout. Your balance will be transferred immediately to Payeer Bank, and I'll explain Payeer Bank in more detail in another video. Now, let me share 3 secrets you can use on these sites. 1. After transferring money to Payeer Bank and learning how to trade currencies, you can earn very good profits. 2. Tasks are the most profitable way to earn within the site, and you can accumulate good profits from them. 3. Referrals, people whom you invite to register on the site through your link, can provide you with significant benefits. That's all for now. Bye.